Hi everyone, and welcome to our special May the 4th assembly. It's Star Wars Day and we're coming to you from the cockpit of the Millennium Falcon, and I'm delighted to be joined by none other than Darth Vader.
Hello, Bertha Park.
It's great that you could join us today, Darth, but we'll come back to you in a little while. Now, I'm sure you're wondering what's going on in the school whilst we're not around. Well, I can assure you it's been very, very well looked after. In fact, I think we can cross over live now to one of our security patrols. Chewie, what did R2 just say there? Right. Apparently things look fine out the front, but he's picking up some anomalies from inside the amphitheatre. Chewie, can we get the amphitheatre on the CCTV feed, please? And there seems to be some rumblings from round the back of the school at the bike sheds. Chewie, let's take a look. Let's speak to Darth Vader. Darth, is there anything in particular you wanted to say to the pupils and the parents?
Yes, as a matter of fact there is. Pupils, you are doing an awesome job with the remote learning. Keep it up. Don't forget to show up online for your lessons and the tutorials. Your teachers will be there to help you. And parents, thank you for all that you are doing to support your kids. No matter how much or how little, it's worth it. And we very much appreciate it.
And I know you had a particular message for some of our key workers out there.
Well done, and thank you to all the key workers out there for keeping us safe and trying to make things as normal as they can be. You are doing great, and there will always be a stormtrooper job waiting for you if you would like one.
Maybe not, Darth. Anyway, that's all we've got time for today, folks. We really hope you've enjoyed our Star Wars themed assembly, and we hope to see you all sometime really soon. And remember, stay indoors.
Wash your hands.
And may the Force be with you. Bye everyone.